Hello everyone! Today I will show you a new feature of DemoCreator, a plugin recorder named DemoCreator Spark. It is a kind of DemoCreator Lite version. DemoCreator Spark is currently attached to DemoCreator desktop software and will be installed to your computer together with DemoCreator. When you launch DemoCreator, the plugin recorder panel will be hidden and displayed in the right sidebar of the desktop screen, and the complete panel will be displayed when you hover the cursor there. There are three functional buttons on the plugin recorder panel: the Start Capture button, the Preferences button and DemoCreator logo. Users can click the Start Capture button or Ctrl plus F1 to customize screen recording area. After the screen recording area is confirmed, a toolbar will appear at the bottom, where you can use the annotation tool, directly take a screenshot, or start the screen recording. The screenshot tool provides users with two functions: copy to the clipboard and save the screenshot. When you click Save icon, it will pop up a window for you to select the save location. After saving successfully, the selected area status will automatically exit. When you click Copy to the clipboard button, the selected area status will automatically exit also. And then you can paste using Ctrl plus V it anywhere you like. In the meantime, if you use the annotation tool before copy or save the screenshot, it will be saved in it also. When you click Start Recording button, the recording countdown will appear on the screen. After the countdown ends, the recording will begin. During the recording, you can add text, rectangle, arrow or mosaic, and you can also take a screenshot. The settings of DemoCreator Spark is in both in the widgets and the desktop software startup interface. At present, there are 5 general settings. 1. Always keep screen recorder widget running in the background. 2. Start automatically. 3. Stop countdown. 4. Hide widgets, recording shortcuts will work. 5. Library location. The first 2 options are selected by default. When you check Always Run in the background, DemoCreator Spark will always run in the computer background unless you quit it. DemoCreator plugin recorder is limited to 15 minutes of recording time for free trial. Download the software free through the link in the description below and give it a try now.